which is an example of the stylus based surface roughness measurement system. In previous class we have already told the stylus based surface roughness measurement apparatus. So now the stylus probe instrument, in most stylus based instrument, a stylus drawn across the surface of the component. Stylus is drawn in the surface of the component. Okay. Being inspected generates electrical signals that are proportional to the changes in the surface asperities. That means surface properties. As electrical means of amplifying signals, we have already told that the electrical or electronics means amplify the signals. Okay. Changes in the height of asperities may be directly read by the meter of the chart. Most instruments provide a graph. We get the graph of the stylus path along the surface. আমাদের যেটা ল্যাবে করেছো মেশিন শপে সেখানেও কিন্তু আমরা স্টাইলাস বেস সিস্টেমটা ইউজ করে এখানে গ্রাফ পেয়েছিলাম, গ্রাফ জেনারেট হয়েছিল, তাই তো? সো the popular stylus probe instrument used for measuring surface roughness. That means equipment is used with the stylus. So this is an example of Tomlinson surface meter. Okay, Dr. Tomlinson invented this. Okay, Vijay Kumar, Subroto Kumar Roy. Okay. So this is a schematic diagram. This is a schematic diagram of Tomlinson surface meter. So we can see here, this is a stylus which maintain the surface of the workpiece, and this is a skid or shoes. We have already told this in previous classes, what is skid and skid or shoes. Now what is probe? Any idea about the probe?
No, sir.
Here we can see the diamond tip here. Here we can see the diamond tip. Okay. So this diamond tip is called actually probe. So here a light spring steel arm. This is a light spring. That means stiffness is low. Light spring means stiffness and mass is low. So light steel arm is attached to the cross roller and carries a diamond tip. So this is a diamond tip. The translatory motion of the stylus. Translatory motion means to and fro motion. Do you mean to and fro motion? What do you mean by to and fro motion? Anybody?
মানে যাওয়ার সময়
হ্যাঁ বলো।
যেটা রেসিপ্রোকেটিং মোশন ওটাই।
রেসিপ্রোকেটিং অনেকটা হ্যাঁ, মানে অ্যাজ এ এক্সাম্পল বলতে পারি যে ভাইব্রেটরি মোশন। Vibratory motion is the to and fro motion. So here translatory motion of the stylus causes rotation of the cross roller about the point. So this is the cross roller. When the stylus moves in translatory motion, then the cross roller will rotate. cross roller will rotate about the point A. Point A is actually hinge portion to the stylus. That is the diamond tip, and it rotates. The cross roller rotates. Okay, then which is turned in converted to a magnified motion of diamond point. That means when cross roller rotates, it transmits the motion to the diamond tip or diamond point. Okay, the diamond tip traces the profile of the workpiece on a smoked glass sheet. Diamond tip, this is the diamond tip. Diamond tip traces the profile of the workpiece on a smoked glass sheet. That means when this is the workpiece, and the shadow, we take the shadow or image in a smoked glass of the workpiece surface, and the diamond tip will trace the shadow. Okay, the glass sheet is transferred to an optical projector. We already said that the glass sheet is transferred to an optical projector and magnified further. Typically, magnification of the order of 52,000 is easily achieved in this instrument. 50 to 100 times. 50 to 100 times. That is a maybe magnified. When we get different magnification, and we get the accurate result. Okay, so this is the working principle of stylus probe based system. Here actually the stylus traces the workpiece, and it magnified by glasses in several times, and it also give the image and traces by the diamond tip also in the shadowing picture on or that image. Okay, so combination of these, we can get the very accurate and precision result. In case of normal stylus based system, in this portion of the traces of the workpiece surface will directly amplifying to the electronic system or electronic result. Okay, and but in case of stylus probe system, the traces of the stylus converted to the converted between with the different magnification, and we get the accurate electronic result. Okay, very accurate electronic result. So this is the working principle. There are other types of stylus probe measurement system, that is Taylor-Hobson Talisker. This is also the stylus probe measurement system. Okay, so do you understand this?